all 10 nails or all 5 nails and turning a different direction. So you can do that if you want to. I'm gonna do 2 nails at the same time. How about that, Mika? Okay, 2 of them at the same time. Before I clear, earlier I did Mika 4 nails at the same time. You can at the salon if you doing it for clients. All right, make sure you close the cap, wipe off, so then you won't clear your brush. No wipe top coat. Second step of the 3-step methods will keep your crystal placement stay nice and last up to 3 weeks. So I'm floating on the top of unclear condensed glue gel. You know, every time I'm doing a top coat on the top of condensed glue gel, you know what, Debbie? I hear your voice right on my ears like, Nancy, top coat. I hear that, so I try not to forget it. All right, our beautiful.
Nuna said, did you get her email?
Yes, Nuna, your package on the way. When you see that the email notify your shipment, you will see your beautiful package on the way. All right, so we are going to using the short on this one. Can you get the anniversary kits? Yes, ma'am. I want the. All right, so I'm gonna take Mika nails off for a second. I'm using that anniversary. We have a shield, that's why I said, wait, what is that? So I'm using some neons from these 2 collections, and the anniversary kits is back in the stock for you to get, and it's great time to get it if you love all this bestseller shape. And also it's still great, really a good value price for you. We come with the tools and everything, and all full size of your crystal in 20 compartments, except that your mega mix crystal, different sizes and different shape, and mega mix with the glow in the dark crystals. And I'm going to using this short neon short right here, along with the drop and the newest neon collection. I'm so obsessed with it. Me and Mika was sitting here and said, oh my god, Mika is so dying with this. It's gonna be fun. All right, I take 2 of this. Oh, I need 2. I think need 2 more. Maybe different colors. All right. Can you show your nails?
Nothing on the drop.
Oh, I'm lucky for this. Okay, I'm gonna give you a really bright one. Okay. All right. Here you go, love. Ready? Can Facebook, Instagram sees okay? I just want to make sure that you are
Yep, you're good.
there. This is so cool and bright. I like that. All right, let's have fun with this and see what we're getting over here. I just told Mika what I get. How do I get this tray? A lot of you might ask. I mix all of my color together. That's how I get this. I get 5 colors, like all different color I could possibly get. So when I travel, I'm leave with this one. Have all the colors I need. So if you are in one of the trade shows, we are, as the current, we're still up to schedule for the nail tech events in Gatlinburg. If you are like live closer and you're planning to go, we absolutely excited to see you and meet you in person. Stop by in our booths to say hello and learning some cool techniques right hands on with us. And also we have a class And now a free class for any attendees coming to the Nail Tech event can able to join us. The more information will be posted on both our websites, social media, or as well as on the Nail Tech event. So please stay tuned if you are going. I think it's July something. July 10 if I don't get it wrong date. So I think it's July 10. So Mika asked her, how do you get their tray and like so colorful? That's why I have it. Because is it okay with Nancy? I gotta start getting a collection like that. Because I want all the colors.
Yes, I do.
It's so like fun to work with. I don't know. I just really like the bright colors. Like I could be sleepy or tired, and I see this whole tray of this crystals. Like my eyes like so open wide, and it's like, hello, I'm gonna play with this.
That's what gave me the idea to do the bright colors.
Yes.
Just to keep everyone woke.
Yeah,
Keep their
awake,
eyes open on the contrast of
I
the
said, oh,
color.
let me do pot leaves, neons. Maybe should we do it? Yes or no? On the pot leaves, neon.
Oh, she wants the marijuana on it.
Oh yeah, you do have some neon ones, huh?
Yeah. Is it okay, Nancy?
You can. I don't mind.
So if the clients don't want any beads on the nails, it's absolutely totally looks gorgeous already. You don't have to. How do I get this on touching that?
My nails look like the hearts on the Instagram.
What? The heart? The
Like
heart?
yeah, you know when you hit the heart button on the side?
Oh. I'm gonna do it outside only instead of the inside.
Right. Got some stuff here for you.
Oh, I'm gonna encapsulating just a little bit on that one, maybe, huh?
That's fine.
Okay. You say, okay, Nancy, have fun. All is yours. All right, done with one nails, and we move on to the next one.
That was so pretty.
Oh, this is so cute. We're planning. We didn't have blue on this one, did we? So I'm gonna put the glue to blue to make it up for her, and then I'm gonna doing a different one with the orange passionate.
And you're gonna key it 2 at a time, yeah?
Yep, I'm gonna key 2 of them at the same time, but don't do it like me. If you're with the clients, you feel like you do one nail at the time, do it those. But I would not doing a thumb and like a pinky together, because it's really hard for you to key both of them, because especially if you have a lot of details crystal on it, you don't want them to run around, because the client's laying the thumb like this side, so it might hard for you to make it looks perfect if the client's moving their hand or keying. Do I miss any questions? Any question for me, please let me know. Me and Mika here, and we're being happy to help you. All right, love, I'm really enjoying this nails. This piece of paper before I'm gonna clear. You can have the wipe, you know, just wipe it off underneath. All right, happy with this. Hold on, I think one of beads is running or whatever. Somehow, some reason it just like just take off on me. All right, love. Great. I really be careful to put it in. Yeah. That's awesome. Like you want to adjusting it now. Did you have some beads on the top? I think you have some beads on the top. I'm sorry. Doesn't have to be matching, but all right, love. Put it in 60 seconds.